something this important needs to be built by all of us for all of us. You can't just have a small group of people of one kind or one kind of person building this. It's too important. Even the internet itself is not as pervasively disruptive and transformative as the internet on blockchain is going to be, because the blockchain or the internet was and is really an ideal system for broadcasting information. That was great. You know, that was Gutenberg's best day, right? But it didn't invent a way of doing transactions without having centralized authorities in there, like banks and others, and you have issues, like we are seeing with Facebook today. Right? There are problems with central authorities being in control of your identity or your information or your transactions, right? So, but being able to democratize that and spread it all over the world, that's powerful, but it's also really powerful, which means it better be built by more than just a few knuckleheads in a building, with only one perspective on things. So it's very important that these technologies are being built in open source, but not just open source, openly governed open source. Meritocracies. There are hundreds of people all over the world building the protocols for Ethereum and Hyperledger and other things. And that's the way it should be. We need more of that, and we need more kinds of people. It needs to be a highly diverse group of people. And what's great about blockchain is that it's so young, there is no group of people who can tell you that you don't know what they know, right? That they're better than you. Anybody that tells you that they know more about this than you do, they might know a little more, but mastery is 13 years and blockchain hasn't been around that long, right? So this is your opportunity. If you're a student who isn't represented by a lot of people that look like you or think like you, this is your shot. You can get in there and you can say, no, I'm the expert. I'm the master on this. And that's good.